What's up, y'all? Why I look so light? I'm not even this light. I don't know. But what's up, y'all? It's Friday. All motherfucking ready. It is Friday, which means it is another freaking weekend vlog. Your girl's on her way to go get her fucking hair done because last weekend I wasn't feeling that. But this weekend, I'm gonna be feeling that, period. So, no, my face is dry. I forgot to moisturize because I was rushing up the house. Girl, move your car, sis. So your girl's on her way to go get her hair done. It's my cousin's girlfriend birthday weekend. We're going bowling tonight, so I'm gonna go to work. I think I'm gonna leave work like 30 minutes early because where we're going bowling at is Lucky Strikes, and it's literally like 5 minutes away from my job. So, and she's starting it at 10, and I don't get off till 11:30, so I'm gonna just leave at 11, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am, like I said, I'm on my way. I gotta go to the beauty supply first, and then because I'm getting a braided ponytail, and then go get my hair done. But my camera is dying, so in the meantime, between time while I'm at work and shit, I'm gonna have my shit on the charger. Yeah, I'm gonna charge my camera and stuff. So I will see you guys a little later. So your girl got her motherfucking hair done, period. So, and I got my nails done. Why do it look yellow on camera? They're really orange. So this is the looking real cute. I'm gonna put my lashes on, and your girl is good and ready for the freaking weekend. So right now I'm on my way to drop my car off to the body shop because, you know, bitches behaviors, and somebody keep my fucking car. Period. So somebody keep my car, so I'm finna go drop it off, and it's gonna be ready on Sunday. So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do. I'm gonna go take my car to the shop, and then I am about to, by that time I should be on my way to work. So I'll talk to you guys a little later. So your girl is at work. I made it to work, guys, and I think the last thing I said was, yeah, I was gonna be on my way to work. Your girl put on her motherfucking lashes, okay? So I'm ready to go as soon as I get off. Like, I'm ready like SpongeBob. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing. I let my battery charge, so it's officially charged. Right now I'm just chilling. I'm not doing anything. I'm actually texting on my computer because my and looking at my vlog and also on Twitter. But yeah, I ain't doing shit, literally. I'm just sitting in my little office, you know. I ain't doing shit. This is the view of downtown LA. Downtown LA. Can somebody show me how to fix my exposure when it come to like being outside and trying to film, because it gets so bright. I think I've done something wrong. I'm about to figure it out. That's what I'm finna sit here and do. I'm about to figure it out. So with that being said, I'm gonna just hit y'all tonight because I'm literally finna sit here all day. I'm gonna Postmate me some food, and yeah, I took my card to the shop. I had to put a deposit down, so he told me it's gonna be ready by Tuesday. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. So yeah, I'm gonna just hit y'all tonight because I'm literally finna sit here all day. I'm gonna Postmate me some food, and yeah, I took my card to the shop. I had to put a deposit down, so he told me it's gonna be ready by Tuesday. And I miss my car already. I really do. There's like something on my camera. I miss my car already. So that sucks, but I am grateful that I'm able to use my dad's car for the weekend because he don't do shit. He don't go nowhere. So yeah, I'll just see y'all tonight. Y'all, look at my coworkers.
Okay, I will. It's gonna be room 710, 2 dinner, 710. But 10:40.
Like, I literally do nothing. So guys, your girl made it home. I made it home. I kind of left early. They still there. I didn't leave early, but they're still there bowling and stuff. I don't know, I'm just ready to come home. For some reason I couldn't get faded. I couldn't get faded. I couldn't get faded or drunk like how I wanted to, because for one, they had snuck Casamigos into the bowling alley, but I didn't want no Casamigos. That shit gave me a, like, I don't know if you guys watched the last vlog, but that shit had gave me a bad hangover, and I mentioned that in the last vlog. And the weekend before the last vlog, I had a bad hangover then, so I just came to the conclusion, like, Casamigos is cool for the moment, but the next day that shit really be having me sick, so I just didn't feel like being sick. So instead I decided to do the Patron and cranberry, and then I had a margarita with Patron, and then I had a shot of Patron, but it still didn't do anything. Like, I think I need to just go back to my Remy. But yeah, I think I just need to go back to my Remy because shit don't be working for you, girl. But I'm home. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm tired. I'm not doing shit tomorrow. Not doing absolutely nothing, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. If I end up doing something, then of course I'm gonna vlog, but for the most part I'm not gonna vlog because I'll be in the house doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, so your girl made it home safe by the grace of God. Thank you, Jesus. So I'll see you guys either tomorrow or Sunday. We outside, y'all. This is not playing, but you know she be trying to be like me. She be trying to be like me, girl. But we are on our way. Is my shit blurry? Oh, we are on our way to Katana. I'm finally making it to this damn restaurant. I've been here one time, but I've been wanting to go back because the first time I was too drunk to enjoy it. So yeah, your girl is on her way to go eat some good food, have some good drinks with my best friend. Where am I parked? Yeah, I ain't doing shit. He said I give you $1. I need to park my shit right here for 30 minutes. Say hey, Sherika. $1? Hey. He said $1? Not $1. He said fuck y'all. I give y'all $1. I give you $1 if I park my shit right here. That's cold. No, nigga. $1 ain't enough. But what happened? They parked right behind me. You can scoot back. I can? You sure? Yeah. It's the birthday girl, sorry. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? It's your birthday, Patty? It's my birthday. Y'all playing with her. Here, Patty, hold this.